So guys, the fish is ready. Let's take it out from there. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hi guys, this is my air fryer. I want to grill my fish in there, roast my fish in there. So that is the fish already washed and marinated. I've marinated the fish. Okay guys, so it's going to go in the air fryer. Okay, that is the air fryer. So I'm gonna put it in there. It's just only three big codfish. Okay, it's catfish. Look at the fish in there. Okay, so I'm going to tip in some oil. That is the fish. So I'm going to tip in some oil inside. You see the oil? Okay, that is it now. That is the fish. So you're gonna go in there. Okay, so I'm going to put it on. It's on now. It's cooking. You can stop it. Look, it's cooking in there. You see? So I'm gonna put it back again. So guys, the fish is ready. Let's take it out from there. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at the fish. Ooh.